by Dummett. De Bruyne! Oh, that is outstanding! Truly brilliant from Kevin De Bruyne. Count on the fingers of one hand the men in the world who could execute that.
Yeboah. On he goes! Oh! Even by his standards. Breathtakingly brilliant. No wonder the Leeds players collectively show their appreciation of this.
Sigurdsson with a great effort, and in it goes. It'll go down as an own goal, but Sigurdsson deserves all the credit in the world. Onto the bar, off the keeper, and in for one apiece.
That's how easy it is. That's how quick it can happen. Get back in a game of football in this Premier League.
Coutinho with pace, and Ruben Neves! That is ancient! My word, what a goal! Molyneux at its magnificent all-goal best.
Does like them in this sort of range. Hasselbank. Oh, and that's why! What a strike! Blistering! Middlesbrough have hardly been near the Manchester City goal, and then midway through the first half.
So wants some of the glory. He's got it! That's the seventh, the magnificent seven. They're firing real bullets. That came from the barrel of Graham Lasso.
A sublime goal! Bearing out his manager's words in the match programme, he says he carries with him a touch of genius.
Back to Philippe Coutinho, worth a try! More than worth a try! 2.5 minutes in, and Philippe Coutinho produces one from the top draw to put Liverpool ahead.
Wow, what a fantastic strike that is.